So looking at the 40-watt Pro, right out of the box, they give you this light, which is pretty small, pretty lightweight, perfect for travel or having a good key light in a small studio space. It also comes with a little carrying bag so you can put your light in there when you're transporting it around. There is a quarter thread on the bottom for mounting and a high-powered LED light on the front. Looking at the back, it has two knobs for changing the light settings and the different modes, and there's a power switch to turn it on. And when you do power it on, it has a safety measure where you have to turn the dial as well, which is a really good safety measure because you don't want this thing accidentally turning on in your bag because it can overheat and also you lose your battery. There is a screen on the back that shows you which modes you're in and also the battery status and everything else. And you can charge this thing with a 19-volt power supply or a 65-watt USB-C cord. And when it's charged up, you get a battery life of 3 hours at minimum brightness, which is that right there, or at maximum brightness, you get about 50 minutes, and that's really bright. And I gotta tell you, so far, the fans have been really quiet on this, especially compared to the old ones. And that was kind of a complaint that people had, was it did get a little bit loud. And I think they've done a better job with the ventilation and just the overall design and the fans. And yeah, it's a lot quieter. Also in the box, you get the mini Bowens light reflector, and that's really easy to pop on. Plus, you get this silicone diffuser. It works good, and it's a really good diffuser as well. Looking at the back again, you have those two dials so you can adjust the brightness on one of them. And then the other one, you can adjust the color temperature all the way from a warm 2500K to a cold 6500K. And with the brightness dial, you can hold it down and you can actually overclock it, and you can get up to 50 watts of power in case you need just like a big burst of light that's more than what the max is. You can have it overclocked. If you hold down the other button, you can activate the different lighting scenes where you have lightning, TV, candle, faulty bulb, strobe, paparazzi, emergency, and a high-low beam. And those are great, like with TV, you could set this thing up and make it look like your subject is watching TV. Or you can put it on candle, and then you could set this thing up to make it just kind of feel like it's a candlelit room. So that's a lot of really great features in this tiny portable body.